how to boot from the USB HP 15. So to do that, first of all you need to turn off and then keep pressing F10 to go to the BIOS menu. Now you can see we are in a BIOS menu. Now if you go to boot from the system configuration boot options, you will see here I have selected USB, but it is not booting from that. But why this is happening? Because we need to change this from UEFI to legacy. As you can see from here, we need to enable legacy. So how to enable that? As you can see in same menu, system configuration, you will see here secure boot. We need to disable secure boot, and then you will see here legacy support. We need to enable that one, hit yes, and now you can see here legacy boot order is enabled. Now after that, after selecting this USB boot from we need to put on the top one. So by pressing Fn and then F6, we can bring it to the top. After that, press F10, click yes, and it will ask some settings. It will ask us some codes. As you can see, it is asking press 1608 and then enter. Now I will press 1608 and then hit enter, and then you are done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.